In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable downloads for a shared link in Dropbox. If you need to share files or folders with others through Dropbox, but want to ensure that no one can download them, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together to make that possible. First, let's get started by signing into your account on Dropbox.com. You'll want to navigate to the specific file or folder that you've already shared with someone. Once you're there, simply hover your mouse over the file or folder. You'll notice that a few options appear, including a button that says Share. Go ahead and click on Share. What's happening now is that you're opening a share dialog for that particular file or folder. In this dialog box, look for an icon that resembles a gear or a settings icon. This is your link settings button that will give you more control over how your shared links behave. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will open up a new set of options that pertain specifically to the link associated with that file or folder, such as a link intended for viewing. Now that you're in link settings, the option we're interested in is labeled Disable Downloads. If you don't see that exact phrase, you might see an option that says Allow Downloads, which you'll want to toggle off. By disabling this download option, you're essentially telling Dropbox that you want your recipients to view the content in their web browser without the ability to download it onto their devices. Once you've made that adjustment, remember to click Save. Saving this setting ensures that anyone who accesses the shared link will only be able to view the content online. You'll notice that once this is set up, the download button that would typically be accessible to them will be grayed out, making it non-clickable. This provides an extra layer of security, granting you greater control over how your shared content is utilized. With these few simple steps, you've effectively disabled downloads for your shared link in Dropbox. This feature is particularly useful when you're sharing sensitive information, preliminary documents, or any content that you want to keep solely online. Remember, while they can still view everything, the inability to download provides you with that much-needed assurance that your files remain exactly where you intend. And that's it. With these easy instructions, you can better manage how your information is accessed and shared. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Dropbox account.